today we're hosting an event where all of the projects that have the common theme of food have come together. So we're hosting this networking event today in Cowbridge Town Hall.
So we've all come together today to celebrate all the ideas and projects that have been funded via rural communities over the last year.
Various people who've worked on projects with Creative Rural have been able to present what we're doing, network, meet other people, exchange of ideas, which has been great.
And what we've got here today is a number of producers, people from the farming industry, people from other parts of the community, stakeholders, organisation.
We've established a food partnership across the Vale of Glamorgan, and Creative Rural Communities came on board as a key partner on the steering group. They've been instrumental in helping us to run some engagement events for the public and for stakeholders across the patch here.
Creative Rural Communities helped me in that when I came up with the mad idea of getting an online farmers market, it was just the support introducing me to people and the belief that I could do it, really.
Creative Rural Communities have been a great help in developing the services that we can offer. We do signpost to each other and collaborate whenever possible, and it's good because we get on with each other well, and I think that's an important thing.
Over the years we've built up an excellent network and hopefully a brilliant reputation so that people know that they can come to us with crazy ideas or looking for some support, and we can help signpost them or we can help them ourselves.
Creative Rural Communities is a positive for this industry, for both food production, farming, and for people generally, I think, in the Vale of Glamorgan.
I think an event like this should be happening more often so that we can have a chance to look what our needs are and see what we can offer that can help other people. There's some great ideas going on in there, and it hopefully bodes well for the future of the Vale.
I would recommend the Rural Communities Department to help you with whatever you have in mind, whether that be a small project or a big project.
I would certainly recommend Creative Rural to any business starting up. Go and ask, even if it's just advice or heading you in the right direction.
I would absolutely recommend Creative Rural Communities. We simply wouldn't be where we are today without them.